more lightning. I don't know, that's amazing. I just saw a nice good one too. Man. Wow. Ah. Oh shit! Shoot. Oh no. I don't know. These are, I hope I don't get like. Wow. I reported earlier. I said, it's so amazing how it lights up, right? Oh, it's good. Ooh, I just saw a good one too. Wow. This is ridiculous, this weather. Look at PP&L building over there. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. Whoa. So scary. Damn, I just missed that one. Oh, what the heck was that over there? I never seen that. Whoa. What the freak was that? Is that a bird? Oh, my eyes turning quick. Oh, it's crazy. Wow. Oh my god, you know that? Ah. But I didn't hear the thunder. You saw that lightning I showed earlier with no sound at all. Now, oh my god, did you see that? I don't know, I'm fascinated with this guy. I'm like a kid in the candy store, okay? I live on the 8th floor in the corner. What was that up there? Oh my god. Kind of scary. Oh, whoa. Something up there. I just saw it again. It was not even lightning. It was just like a light. I hope I don't drop my phone. Oh, something is going on over there. Wow. That's ridiculous, right? Ah! You see that? You see that? Why is the lightning going all crazy like that? Oh yeah, I'm scared. Whoa! Wow, where the heck are they coming from? Like everywhere? Wow. I'm holding my phone with 2 hands. I'm afraid I'm gonna scream and drop it. Oh, this is ridiculous. What was that up there? Wow, you see that? Did you see that? Huh? Wow, what the heck? Ah, you see? Oh my god, that shit was close! Oh my god, did you see that? Holy shit! Okay, I'm sorry, I'm scared. Oh god. Oh shit! Oh my god. Oh wow. This is so scary. No, did you see that? That shit was close. Did you see that? Oh! Did you see a dot up there? Like, oh my god. I'm having a heart attack over here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait. Oh. Wait. I'm sorry, honey. Oh my god. That lightning was like, I don't know, really close. What is that up there? Oh my god, did you see that? You see that? Why is the lightning acting like really strange like that? Oh, I'm having like anxiety. Because I'm afraid with the phone, I don't know, all the steel I have over here, I don't want to get electrocuted. Oh my god, what the fuck is that up there? I kind of saw something in that area right there. Oh my god. That was scary as shit. Did you see that? Come on, dude. Ah! Wow. Wait. Oh. Did you see that? Do you think it's okay for me to come out to the phone? Oh. Eh. Oh my god, god, god. I'm scared to be out here. Wait. Oh god. Oh yeah, nice good one. Well, that was fucking excellent. God. I'm sorry, I'm having. Wow. Yo, why are they like that? Like so big and I don't get it. Oh. Did you see that? It was huge. Oh god. Wow, 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 wow. I saw something. Yeah, 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 yeah. I think I'm gonna get inside. Wait. Oh, no. Ah, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, goodness. I'm scared to death. With my phone out here getting wet. Oh, what the heck was that? I could have sworn I seen something over there. Maybe. Oh, yeah, yeah. Well, okay, guys, that's enough. Oh, yeah. Wait, I'm sorry. I'm acting stupid. Oh, wait. I'm scared. Ay, ay, ay. Come on, let's get one. Maybe I can sell it to the news or something. I saw a UFO with the lights coming in and out of each other, and it was like the same length of the building, and a few other people saw it too. If I had a nice freaking telescope camera, it would have been amazing. Like, I would have had a nice close-up view of that. Because you know how all the time they have, like, you only see like a light. You never, like, kind of an orb. You don't actually see the UFO, like, really good. But if I had a good one, oh, I'm going in. My throat is getting wet. Okay, guys. Take care. I'm having a heart attack. Thank you for watching. My phone is getting wet. Let's see if I can get one more. No, that was huge. That was huge. Oh my god. I know I see something. There's some right there. Okay, I'm going in. That was good enough for me. It's good enough. It was scary for me. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh.